up, you guys? It's your girl, Jerica. You already know. Gang, gang, gang. Bitch, we back with another video. Period. Right to it. Today, y'all, I'm going to tell y'all some embarrassing ass shit that I just did over the weekend. Y'all. I put on my fucking edges.
Real bitch, and I'm straight from off the west side. True bitch, and I come from off the west side. Real bitch, and I'm straight up off the west side. True bitch, and I come straight off the west side.
Embarrassing. So if it look a little light up there, that's why. You guys. Embarrassing. I know it's just hair. But I fucking put on my edges. Like, do y'all know I got this big ass head. And if I slick my fucking, y'all see I'm trying with my butt like this. So if I do that, then clearly you're gonna see it. Bitch, I got no edges. They see through. They embarrassing, y'all. I'm just gonna tell y'all straight up. I just motherfucking took that hair out. I did, if y'all ain't watched it already, go ahead and watch that Beyond hair review that I did on the Beyond hair. Don't get me wrong, the hair was fire. The hair was fire, okay? But it just got so itchy. Like, I had it in for like 6 weeks. And it was just getting so itchy up under the frontal. So, yeah, baby, just, you know, I figured, I don't know why, but I just figured, you know, if I just rip it slowly, that I wouldn't do no damage. Y'all, I'm about to get up close on this camera so y'all can see. Don't laugh at me, y'all. Don't fucking laugh at me, because this is fucking embarrassing. Oh, look. Look at that. That shit is see-through. That shit is gone. Like, look at that, y'all. Like, y'all see these little hairs trying to grow back. Don't get me wrong. I've been oiling the fuck out of my edges. But look at them. Embarrassing, y'all. And look at, bro, up here, like if I put it all the way back, look, up here, this part of my hairline, my hair got snatched right there. So I'm waiting for that to grow back in, y'all, right here. And then y'all see, bro, it's real thinning right here, thinning right there, y'all, because I pulled it out, bro. I pulled it out. It's embarrassing. Y'all, look at this shit. This side really embarrassing, though, because, like, you really can see through that shit. Like, look at that. If I try to slick it back, you bald-headed bitch. Oh, who you thought you was? Bitch. You are not allowed to talk shit for a whole 2 weeks until that shit feel back in, because I promise you, I'm blazing. What? You're sent with your bald-headed ass. Yo, I've been doing my wild growth oil, y'all, and rubbing my temple, massaging my scalp, get the blood flowing, because that bitch ain't got no... Look right here. That's just embarrassing, bro. Look at that. Like, it just look like all skin. Like, bitch, your face go up there. Damn. Oh my God, why did I do this? Because I couldn't wait no longer, y'all. Oh my God. Please, can y'all give me some remedies, home remedies, down below in the comments? I'll let y'all sit here and laugh at my bald-headed ass, so I need y'all to give me some tips on how to grow my edges back, y'all. Literally pull my edges out, bro. Y'all, I'm not capping, bro. Not capping, bro. That ain't no joke, bro. Edges gone. Gone. When you really want to cry, but you laugh because you did it to yourself. Like, bitch, you pulled your motherfucking hair out. Like, I can't be mad at nobody but myself. So since I can't be mad at nobody, all I can do is cry or laugh at myself. And I'm not about to get on there and motherfucking cry. So, bitch, that's what your bald-headed ass get. This is fucking embarrassing, y'all. Like, how I'm supposed to be cute? Like, I'm about to throw a fucking hat on. Let me see. I'm about to throw a hat on, y'all, and see what it's looking like. But that's it. I just wanted to come up on here and tell y'all how I just pulled out my motherfucking edges, and I need help on trying to figure out how to grow them back. Y'all see my Raw Growth oil back there by my fan. So, yeah, so I've been rubbing on her, but I need something else, bro, because this ain't coming in fast enough. And Thanksgiving is, like, right around the corner, so baby cannot be pulling up to the table because and I'll be thankful for these edges, baby. So please, please, if you got any type of remedies, please, please, I really fucking need them because I bitches. And if y'all got some remedies for my hair growth, period, because the middle of my hair, it grows slower than the rest of my hair. So yeah, please comment below. I really need your help, and I'm not laughing. So don't be laughing at me, y'all. I know everybody ain't got edges, and I know sometimes we pull our edges out. But this is the one time I'm giving y'all a free pass to laugh at my bullheaded ass edges, okay? One time. Don't let me hear y'all laughing again, because I promise y'all I ain't gonna spare none, okay? But that's it for this video, you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, but please, 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 please comment the remedies, because I really fucking need them. No cap. But that's it for you guys. See you later.
Fucking loser.